What's up, guys? Back with another family fun-filled carpet cleaning video. I'm stupid. I'm just dumb. Anyway. Alright, so today we're doing rugs and carpet for a 7,000 square foot vacation rental home. I mean, beautiful. That's beautiful. And so it's just normal carpet cleaning, but we are doing pet treatments. Not in every room, kind of strategically doing it. Lighting's horrible here, guys. Lighting is horrible. But, you know, if you're as good as I am, you can clean carpet in the dark. You know? Yeah, it's another room. So we got 5 rooms. See what I mean? Those things don't go up. It's kind of weird. So we went through and instead of doing Green Rhino cocktail, because it's not really necessary, we just went around and hit the urine spots with the light. And yeah, that'll be good enough. All right, so this customer uses me, I don't know, every couple years. This time they wanted all the rugs clean too, which is good. Yeah. And then we have a room up these stairs. It's kind of the size of about a small master. And up here is where Edwin's cleaning right now. So total 5 carpeted areas and 1, 2, I believe 4 area rugs. So yeah, easy cleaning really. Just long run. Nice doing carpets in places like this. Pretty soon I'm gonna have my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, guys. So I'm gonna be doing a lot more recording. It's gonna get much easier for me. So I know I've been kind of slacking on the job type of videos, but guys, I got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. It's like Groundhog's Day sometimes for me. But I like to motivate, so this is something that maybe will motivate you. Thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning industry, target these type of customers. I'm only filling the upper area because this is a vacation rental. Alright, so that's fine. Got a tennis court over there. Nice view. Alright, so this job is probably going to take us about an hour and a half. If it was by myself, it'd probably take me a couple hours. Alright, so yeah, build your business. Start learning how to get that phone to ring. I teach you how to do all that in Green Rhino Academy. I have all the resources, I mean, that a carpet cleaning business needs, even if you're already in business, guys, how to get that phone to ring. And when you're with Green Rhino Academy, you get the ultimate deals on that stuff. So yeah, you get a lot of benefits being with Green Rhino. And a lot of times, if you just say Green Rhino sent you, you'll get those benefits also. All right, so I got a lot of resources down below the video, links and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and help him. We're doing all the upstairs, and then we're gonna do the rug, start from that end and do the rugs and work our way out. All right, guys. All right, guys, that's it. So 560 total. Takes us an hour and a half. Okay, still good, right? And the thing is the key to having a successful business is really retaining your customers. So every job to me is a job interview, and if they like me, they're gonna call me next time. Okay. Today we had a job, and our first job was a small one. Lady usually uses another company that starts with the S. It's a really popular franchise all across the United States, and but she couldn't get a hold of them, so she called me. And so I went out there, and I know their routine. They don't agitate. They don't use the CRV. So the first thing I told them to do is go ahead and break out the CRV after I pre-spray and scrub it. Sure enough, she walks out, oh, what is that? And he's, oh, yeah, we agitate all the carpet before we, actually do the rinsing. That way it's a better clean. And she's like, wow, I've never seen that. I already knew that, right? And then as we cleaned, we mopped our way out. And she's, oh, thank you very much for mopping, right? So, she's going to call us back. So that's how you create a successful business in the long run, okay? You can do low quality work. You're going to be advertising forever. Your customers are never going to use you again, or you can do high quality work and have that customer call you back every year. The longer you're in the business, the more stronger your foundation is, the less you have to advertise, the more money you make. All right, a real business is one that you don't have to advertise and people just keep calling you, So yeah, that should be your goal too. That's it for this one, guys. So yeah, more of these is a good thing. See you next one.